Beyond the Waterfall, a short moral story. In the village of Evermist, there was a legend about a magical land hidden beyond the great waterfall. Liam, a curious boy, always wondered if the legend was true. One sunny morning, he decided to find out. With a lantern, a rope, and his adventurous spirit, Liam followed the river to the towering waterfall. Mist swirled like a silver curtain. He hesitated, then whispered, "Courage," and stepped through the rushing water. On the other side, Liam found a breathtaking valley, Emerald Hollow, with glowing trees, shimmering streams, and animals that spoke softly to each other. "Who are you?" asked a wise old owl. "I'm Liam. I wanted to see what was beyond the waterfall." "Curiosity and courage brought you here," the owl said. "But remember, the greatest treasures are not always gold." Suddenly, Liam heard a distant cry. He ran and saw a young fox trapped under fallen branches. He used his rope to lift the branches and free the fox, who wagged its tail gratefully. The owl reappeared. "You chose kindness over treasure, Liam. That is the greatest magic." Liam returned home, his heart full of wonder. The waterfall was no longer a mystery, but a reminder that true adventure lies in helping others. Moral: bravery and kindness open doors to life's greatest treasures. Thank you for watching.